Ready for an adventure? Step outside and discover the Dallas ISD Environmental Education Center. With 500 acres of pure nature to explore, the great outdoors is your ultimate classroom. Along the way, you'll make new friends of all kinds, meeting all the amazing creatures that live here. And get ready to dive into hands-on learning with experienced teachers and naturalists by your side. Learn, grow, explore. Come visit the Dallas ISD Environmental Education Center, where science comes to life.
I love learning about science and nature.